Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, my name is Julie and I do handbag reviews. And if you're not new, welcome back guys. It's so great to see you again. So tonight I am so excited because, so little backstory, my birthday is coming up this Friday. But about a week ago, or like 2 weeks ago, I placed an order like around the 23rd of December for a bunch of like Longchamp bags. And I don't know if a lot of you guys know, but I did come down with COVID on Christmas and it's been horrible like for the last week and a half. And I just want to thank everybody who's reached out and like checked in on me, and you guys know who you are, and I really want to thank you guys for that. So I placed this order for Longchamp bags, and I thought now that they've all come in, they came in like 2 different shipments, I thought I would go ahead and unbox them with you tonight. My actual birthday is Friday the 7th, but it is now the 4th, so I'm so excited. I just really want to unbox these bags with you. So a few days ago I actually got my new, so this one actually started it all. I saw this one, I'm like, oh my gosh, I love it. I am like a huge fan of the small size top handle. It's just a quick grab and go. I love the shape. I love the little top handles, and like I wore this shopping all day, and I just wear it in the crook of my arm because it is so just easy. This one is in the color Ocean, and it's in the green line. So this is the new Longchamp green line, and I really truly just love this color called Ocean. It's darker in person than it's showing up on camera. On camera it's showing up a little bit brighter, but it is like a dark teal. It's so pretty, and it actually comes with silver hardware. And I'm using it now. I've been using it straight for the last few days, but it's got the really dark black interior, and it's just the perfect size for me. It's the size small. And they also have the mediums and the long handles, and they have a bunch of other bags in the green line. So this has been my baby now for the last few days, and so I'm gonna set this aside and I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox the items I got, and and if I'm clearing my throat, it's just part of it all. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the smallest thing first, and just kind of go from there. So this is the first item. All the Longchamp items come in these beautiful packagings. It's like a green paper bag, and then they all come with like a ribbon. So this is the first thing that came. And Longchamp actually might still be having a sale right now going. They always do like a winter right before Christmas sale. So I got this little guy. This is the Longchamp just Cosmetic Pouch. And I have a couple of these, and the ones that I do have like really been worn out. But this one is in the color Bilberry. And it's really pretty. It's in the originals, so it's got the brown top handle, and you know, it's just pretty straightforward. It does have the dark lining, which I really prefer, so that's kind of nice. But I really love this color Bilberry. This was one of the sale colors. This one in the peony, which is like a pink shade, but this is just like a really rich, dark, deep purple. So that is my first item to share with you. And then I'm kind of going in size order. So here's the second item, and let's get on in here. I'm not like a unboxing type person. I've done a few on my channel, but I'm just more of like a I don't know. I'm just not really an unboxing type of a person, so I kind of feel strange. So this is cute. It came with like a little sticker that says fun on it. And so to go with that cosmetic pouch, I got the small top handle in the color Bilberry. So the exact same color as the cosmetic pouch, but you know, in a bag size. So this is again with the brown trimmings. The originals all have gold hardware. And just to kind of show you a difference, these ones all come with the silver. Same with the club versions, and then the originals all have the gold hardware. So I do plan on doing like a full Longchamp collection video for you guys at some point in time, because I've grabbed several recently and I have just been like obsessed with Longchamp lately. But yes, it's got this nice leather underneath, just super simple. Again, my favorite style, the small top handle, quick grabber. It's one of my favorite styles. I've got a couple favorite styles for Longchamp, and this is just a, you know, a big favorite style of mine. So nice thick nylon. And then, okay, so this is a color that I saw that it's like a new color by the brand. And so for my third item, this is gonna be kind of cool because I have never, again, this is a brand new color for Longchamp. And this one is also, just judging by the weight, I know which one this is. So this one, I love their packaging too, because I love that bright pop of green on the inside. These are the true colors for the brand. So, okay. This one is part of the green collection, and it's a brand new released color. And it's the color corn. So it is part of the green collection, and it is like it's actually much deeper of a gold. It's like a goldenrod color, but it's called corn, and it's part of the green collection. So you've got the hot neon green here on the corners. But I love this color. I think it's so fun, and kind of like the club versions. The club version also has like the same matching leather to the body. That's the club. They did the same thing with the green, but you can tell the difference because they kept the jockey the same color as the body. And then you have these neon accents. So, and just kind of out of curiosity, I'm gonna check out what the interior color is on this. So, it's kind of like a little bit of like a gray, which is awesome. So, and it's a lot like the club version because you have the large pocket in the back rather than in the front. So I like that. But I am just obsessed with the new green line. So now I have my corn, and then I have my ocean, and the colors are just so vibrant and fun. So I am super thrilled. Alrighty, so this is the color corn. And then for this last bag, this was one that I have really been wanting for quite a long time, and it's kind of like one of their ultra basic, well, I shouldn't call it ultra basic, but it's like one of their ultra, like most common ones that you would buy, I guess. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you, but okay, so going on inside the package, and here it is. Okay. So I got the Le Pliage Neo top handle with the crossbody strap. So this is the one that has the strap connection, and it's in the small size. The small size is huge for me, in my opinion. It's not like huge, but it's definitely like such an amazing size. But I am really thrilled just to have like a basic black one. I currently have the black and blue LGP one, and this one's gonna be great because it's just basic black. They added the long zipper pull, it looks like here. And yeah, it's really, really good sized all throughout. So I am so excited. And I will tell you, this nylon, the nylon on the Neos feels extremely thick. Like, if I'm touching the difference between these two bags, this is thinner, this is much thicker, and it's silky. It's like a silky feeling. So yeah, I am so excited. I've got the extra small one, and I've got the small one in the black, and I guess I couldn't be more happy. I am just so happy to have these bags come. And I know it's so weird because they're like, you know, just nylon bags, but I don't know, I just get so much joy out of using my Longchamp bags. They truly are an amazing brand. And guys, like, I was on the phone earlier today, or it was like a day ago, with their customer service, and I was asking them about where part of my shipment was, and the girl on the phone was amazing. She was like, oh, it's gonna come in a separate shipment. I am emailing you the tracking immediately. She did it within 2 minutes. Straight to my email. In fact, she wanted to make sure that we were on the phone together when I got that email. She was like, here's your tracking information. It should be arriving tomorrow via UPS. The girl was like straight up amazing on the phone. And I have never had to have a bag fixed from Longchamp, but Joshy Michael, he says that they take such good care of you. Like, if you need to have something fixed, the brand just is amazing. Like, you send it off to them and they fix it, no problem at all. So yeah, this is pretty much everything. So I am very thrilled. I plan on doing, again, I do plan on doing like my full Longchamp collection video here in a few weeks probably, but I just was curious to know what Longchamp bags you love and what bags you like. If you have any questions for me, let me know. A big video that I really want to do is comparing the original to the green to the Neo to the Club. I have all of those, and I really want to compare and contrast each and every line. There's even more lines beyond that, like there's the leather, there's the lambskin, there's all those gorgeous leather bags that they have. So but thanks guys. I really appreciate you guys checking out this unboxing with me today, and yeah, I'll be coming out with some more videos here soon too, and I hope your guys' 2022 is off to a great start, and we'll just make it happen in the next video. So, all right, thanks guys. Take care. Bye.